Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Red guys, the color of the passion, the color of this amazing tomato as the king of the Italian cuisine vegetable guys. Look how beautiful it is. With this very tomato, today I'm gonna make one of the most famous Roman recipe pasta. Spaghettoni alla matriciana guys. Simple ingredients, few important steps. Follow me now. This gorgeous red color peeled tomato. Then we're gonna have this amazing guanciale, which is not bacon, which is not pancetta. It's the cured cheek pork meat. If you don't have guanciale, you can use bacon, but this is very, very delicious. Some Parmesan cheese. The actual recipe is pecorino cheese, but also Parmesan cheese is very delicious and easier to find. And some very delicious spaghettoni, big, thick noodles, guys. If you don't have this, you can use fettuccine, you can use many type of different pasta, even rigatoni. It's super delicious. So let's make a gorgeous amatriciana like in Roma, guys. First thing first, we take care of our guanciale. Look how nice it's seasoned here with all of this delicious black pepper. We're gonna cut in a stripe of 1 finger. Then we're gonna cut in small stripes. Look how beautiful is the fat part, guys. We're not gonna use any olive oil in this recipe. We will melt all this amazing fat of this meat, guys. Here you are. Look how beautiful and gorgeous it is. Now, let's go to the fire. Here, we're boiling the water, and here we're gonna make our amatriciana sauce. This is a pasta that requires 10-15 minutes top. The time the water boiling and it cook our pasta. We go medium-high fire here. We put all our guanciale here, and we're gonna let it roast and becomes crunchy very, very slow. In the meantime, a super important operation now. Now, wash properly your hands because we're gonna smash it with our hands. How we say in Roma, li straniamo tutti, schipelati. Look, you take your hands and you squeeze. In the way, we're gonna make a nice pulp with a lot of thick piece of this gorgeous tomato. Look how juicy and beautiful they are. Wow. This is the perfect consistency we need to get, guys. Okay, let me wash my hand. Look, our guanciale is perfectly roasted, and now it's time to add our gorgeous smashed peeled tomato. Wow! Here, the quantity for 2 people, guys. We're gonna have 250 grams of peeled tomato and 100 grams of guanciale. Now it's time to add 2 pinch of salt. 1 and 2. Mamma mia, so simple and so delicious. Our water is boiling. We add 1 tablespoon for 2 people and all our spaghettoni. Look how beautiful are these spaghettoni. Let me try if they're ready. 2 more minutes. Let's try again. Here we are, guys. Perfectly al dente. Switch off the fire under the pasta. Remember something very important, guys. We don't cook the pasta before and then the sauce and we let the pasta resting. No, it's gonna be overcooked. Follow my steps, guys. And now let's jump it. Wow, look, such an amazing, intense red color of this delicious sauce. Let's grate it. Looks so delicious, so juicy, guys. Now let's go with a generous amount of Parmesan cheese on top. And ladies and gentlemen, our amatriciana pasta is ready. The best moment. Look how gorgeous is this pasta with a generous amount of cheese and this intense red color of this peeled tomato sauce. Simple but delicious. Oh my God. Mamma mia, ragazzi. I feel like in my hometown, Roma, in Italy. The same amazing taste this so intense sweet juice of this red peeled tomato with this very strong flavor of this guanciale meat, simple ingredients, and the cheesiness of the Parmesan cheese on top makes this pasta one of the most delicious and famous pasta of the Roman traditional cuisine. Spaghettoni alla matriciana, guys. You will love this recipe. Check all my steps. If you don't have this special guanciale, you can use bacon. You can use also different type of pasta, but make it like we Roman do, guys. And remember, stay hungry, my friends. Se vedemo. Bye bye!